Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping the last stitch with intent. Secure the loop and leave a 3-4 inch tail so you can weave or knot later. Once done, make sure the working loop is under control. Hold it between thumb and forefinger to prevent loosening. You do this because extra tail gives room for a tidy finish and prevents tension shifts when you finish. From here, you're ready to take the first decisive action: slip stitch or fasten off, depending on your pattern. You fasten off by cutting the thread, leaving that 3-4 inch tail, then pull the tail through the final loop to lock the stitch. This prevents unraveling. Next, thread the tail onto a yarn needle and weave it through the nearby stitches, following the fabric's grain. This distributes tension and hides the tail. Make sure to weave at least 1 inch or 4-6 stitches back and forth. This helps anchor the end so the finish stays secure and invisible during use. You finish by trimming the tail flush with the fabric after weaving, taking care not to cut too close so the weave doesn't pull out. If the piece must endure stress, make a tiny knot before weaving, then hide it. You do this only when necessary because knots can create bulk. If the end starts to come loose later, reweave the tail along a longer path and add a pinhole dab of fabric glue where appropriate to lock fibers. This restores security without altering appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.